What's up, everybody? It is Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois, and today I'm bringing you a new video on our new arrival 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. Check this thing out. Cortez Silver, 383 blueprint engine, dynoed at 435 horsepower. Great sounding engine, really healthy, 3-inch dual exhaust with an X-pipe. Engine bay is really clean. Core support and firewall are body color painted. Fender wells were painted really nicely. Aluminum heads on this blueprint engine. HEI ignition, of course. This car is a nice treat. Front disc brakes, of course. The paint is in pretty good shape. Really nice paint job. Black SS stripes. You got SS badges on this car. Doors open and close beautifully. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this thing. I got it running right now. They put a aftermarket gauge package in here. And I believe it says it has 3,000 miles since the restoration. Just listen to that. Sounds great. It's got a retro sound radio, which works. Sounds great. Your blower motor does work. You can hear it there. Your lights do work, all of them, and your blinkers. Let me show you. I believe the blinkers all work. Your lights work, your blinkers. All your side marker lights. As you can see, they put an aftermarket bezel on here for the gauge package. It's got your volts, oil pressure, RPM, mile per hour, water temp, fuel level. Your horn is inoperable. They put an SS center console in here with the horseshoe shifter. And then you get your buckles for the seat right here. Seat belts right there. Your door panels, all in great shape. Headliner looks great. Dash pad, really nice, no cracks. Overall, really nice interior inside here. Windows roll up and down nicely. Just a couple chips in the paint on the console, but that's about it. Doors open and close nicely. Let's go ahead and open this trunk. So here you got a spare tire. Looks like a GM rally wheel in here. And you got your paperwork. All the stuff that's been done there. And then here is your engine information. Now in here is your dyno sheet for the engine. I do have a picture of that on the website. It was dynoed at, I believe, 435 horsepower. Nice, really nice stout engine. And in the trunk here, pretty simple. Nothing crazy. Just your run-of-the-mill Chevelle trunk. Solid trunk floor, just a little bit of surface rust, but that's about it. Very clean. Nothing some cleaning up and paint can't fix. Let's take the key out and close the trunk. Trunk closes nicely, lines up great. Your bumper in great shape. You get your SS badge there. There's your dual exhaust tips. pipes. Like I said, 3-inch dual exhaust with an X pipe. Sounds great. You got your Cragar 15-inch wheels. All 4 wheels are in great shape. Radial TA tires all the way around. Just a really nice, presentable car. You could drive anywhere. As you can see, doors open and close beautifully. All your trim in great shape, your glass. What else could you need in a 71 Chevelle like this? This thing is ready to go. And this thing runs beautifully. Let's go ahead and give this hood a close. As you can see, it does have the Cowl induction hood with the flapper, which is not connected. Whoever built the car did not connect that. But you got your black SS stripes with the Cortez Silver base. Overall, really, really cool car. And like I said, ready to go. If you're looking for a 71 Chevelle, you could drive anywhere. Nice, healthy, small block Chevy. This is the one. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, where we have all of our 250 cars in stock. This is our beautiful warehouse. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. We offer special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and closed, bonded and insured. Our phone number, if you are interested in any of our vehicles, is 847-848-1850. Again, that is 847-848-1850. Or visit the website at mjimclassiccars.com. We get new cars in almost every day, so you are not going to want to miss a thing. Keep checking the website. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. Hope everyone has a great day, and I hope to see you here soon, taking this baby home. Because remember, it sure looks good here, but look a whole lot better in your garage. Bye-bye, everyone, and I'll see you soon. Let's take this Chevelle home. Thanks for watching.